Good day, friends.
A ship in a bottle is a model ship assembled inside a single unbroken bottle. The term ship in a bottle is actually a general name. Inside bottles, you can also find airplanes, cars, various mechanisms, and even whole miniature scenes. The main idea behind creating a ship in a bottle is to build a model in such a way that it's impossible to remove it without breaking either the model or the bottle itself. Today we'll tell you how these ships are made. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video. Most people still have no idea how miniature model ships are placed inside bottles. Most often, the model is a sailing ship, mainly because the structure of a sailboat makes it easier to fit it through the bottle's neck. There are many ways to put a ship into a bottle. The simplest and most common one is to make the sailboat collapsible. A small hinge is hidden at the base of the mast, allowing it to tilt and fold along the hull. In its folded state, the model can pass through the neck of the bottle. Once inside, the builder pulls on long threads of the rigging left outside. These threads raise the masts back into position. After the masts are straightened and fixed, the excess threads are trimmed, and the model is complete. That's the easiest way to put a ship into a bottle. Another method is when the craftsman builds the model in such a way that parts of it can be disassembled. The tiny ship is taken apart so that it can fit through the bottle's neck. Then it's placed inside, and only after that does the modeler perform the final assembly using special tools. These tools include long-handled instruments, magnets, strong thread, a flexible shaft with a small clamp at the end, and long medical needles that help apply glue to tiny parts with precision and no excess. Final assembly inside the bottle follows a few rules. It begins from the bottom of the bottle and moves toward the neck so that already installed parts don't block the view. There are also proportions to consider between the size of the bottle and the model. In bottles with longer and narrower necks, the model will appear fuller, and the ship will have more small details. Hobbyists passionate about this craft often challenge themselves to fit increasingly complex models inside bottles, ones that seem impossible to insert. Thank you all for watching. If you found this interesting, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video.